Oh, hi everybody. This is Kermit the Frog, and I'm here to. I'm just kidding, everybody. Hello, everyone. It's BFDI Fan 5 here, and today I am going to be playing Alex's Stomach Growling, which is a type of video game on YouTube. Yeah, get it? Video game. It's the video, and it's an interactive adventure, which is like a game or something. So, yeah, let's get started on it, shall we? Here we go. All right. Here we go. I met Alex. Right. He says, oh, hey there. And I would say, hi. How you doing? You don't seem to recognize me, do you? Oops, why is my hand shaking a little bit? I think I do know you, of course. Well, in case you don't tell, it's me, Alex. Yeah, I know. I know it's you. I know it's you. I know it's you. Oh, her stomach. It sounds so hungry, bro. Oh, yep, I knew it. She sure is. Starving. She's hungry. Oh my god, I want to listen to it real bad. Actually, I do. Don't mind me saying this, but anyways, there's something I can do for you. Maybe, I don't know. Jesus, her stomach is so gurgly, bro. Will I play some games? I want to play games, bro. I love games. Yep, games does sound fun. Yup, it does sound fun. Oh wow, I'm playing Minecraft. Funner than I thought. Yup, basically it's fun. Basically it's fun. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Okay, more. Oh gosh, her stomach's more getting louder. Yeah, I could hear it's getting louder, bro. You need to eat something? I'm just kidding. I actually want to listen to it. Not lying. Yeah, you sure are. Yep. Oh, I don't mind. Because I just want to listen to it. Yep. Let's see. Let's say her belly's cute. Yup, I did say it is cute. Yeah, I did say that. Yup. Yeah, I basically did do. If you want. Yeah, if I want what? Oh. Oh, yeah! I want to, bro. Basically. So. Yep, I am doing it. Wow, bro, it actually sounds so empty in there, bro. It's like there's basically nothing. Basically, there's nothing inside her stomach, bro. Flirty ending. What? A flirty ending? Bro, that was the second time I got a flirty ending. The second time I got a flirty ending. The first time was when that Silver Wolf game I played. Man, bro. I'm kind of so lucky for this one. And, well, everybody, this is BFDI Fan 5 here. This is the end of the game, video game. So I'm signing off. Goodbye.